There are diverse motivations behind initiating a business venture. For some individuals, the dream revolves around becoming their own boss, transforming a hobby into a lucrative enterprise, expressing creativity, or reaping rich rewards for hard work. Although Walt Disney's saying, "If you can dream it, you can do it," resonates with some, pursuing such dreams entails risk. Those who embark on this journey must possess the entrepreneurial spirit to courageously leave a well-paid job, venture out independently, and confront a future fraught with uncertainty. Others may find the impetus they need through external forces. Often being laid off, accompanied by a lump sum payment, serves as a springboard for their entrepreneurial aspirations. Younger individuals are increasingly becoming integral to the startup landscape. Equipping themselves with necessary business skills by their early 20s, they relish the excitement and freedom that come with managing their ventures independently. One great example of rags to riches is the story of Tony Fernandez. Tan Sri Anthony Tony Fernandez was born in Kuala Lumpur in 1964 to an Indian father and a Malaysian mother. Educated in England, he graduated from the London School of Economics, LSE, in 1987. Initially working as a financial controller for Richard Branson at Virgin Records, Fernandez later became the Southeast Asia Vice President for Warner Music Group in 1992. Taking a bold step in 2001, Fernandez ventured out on his own, mortgaging his home to acquire the struggling young airline, AirAsia. His visionary low-cost strategy was encapsulated in the company's tagline, "Now everyone can fly." Just a year after Fernandez took over, AirAsia not only cleared its $11 million debts but also achieved a break-even point. Approximately 50% of its travelers were estimated to be first-time flyers. Over time, AirAsia has earned global recognition as the premier low-cost airline. In 2007, Fernandez extended his entrepreneurial endeavors by founding Tune Hotels, a low-cost hotel chain that promises 5-star beds at 1-star prices. Offering advice to aspiring entrepreneurs, he emphasizes the importance of dreaming the impossible and never accepting a no as the final answer. While the motivations behind starting a business may be diverse, a shared trait among all entrepreneurs is the willingness to undertake risks. Achieving success on the first attempt is a rarity, as it demands resilience and tenacity to persevere in the face of failures. Remaining positive despite repeated rejections from customers, banks, and financial backers requires unwavering perseverance. Fundamental to this journey is unwavering faith in the idea. Although some startups may require minimal capital, the majority seek funding during their initial growth stages. Business owners must adeptly convey to banks or other financial backers that their concept is not only valid but also backed by the skills necessary to transform it into a profitable venture, even if it takes time. A prime example is Amazon, which took 6 years to turn a profit. In recent times, obtaining financing for startups has become somewhat more accessible. Governments often provide loan plans or grants, easing the financial burden. Entrepreneurs with ambitious ideas can tap into substantial funds and managerial support from venture capitalists dedicated to nurturing startups. For smaller ventures and individuals with limited capital, microloans and crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter.com have gained popularity as alternative financing options. Securing financing hinges on a well-crafted business plan. A comprehensive plan should articulate the core idea, incorporate supporting market research, outline operational and marketing strategies, and provide financial projections. It must also encompass a blueprint for sustained growth and contingency measures, presenting alternative ideas or markets in case the initial plan deviates. Crucially, an effective business plan recognizes that the primary cause of business failure is a cash shortage. While loan capital may offer temporary relief, sustained operations ultimately rely on revenue. A sound business plan entails a meticulous analysis of future cash flows, identifying potential shortfalls. Success in the startup landscape is determined by the persistence to bring an idea to market, the capability to secure ample financing, and the business acumen to transform a sound plan into a lasting, profitable enterprise.